My dear students, I welcome you to third year English classes. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. But we are very passing hard time due to coronavirus. You know very well that coronavirus has come forward, has marches on with full strength. If we do not take precautionary measures, it will do much harm for us. My dear students, I was supposed to teach you correction. You know, there are some basic rules of correction with which we can make a correct sentence. Suppose radio is a wonderful discovery. I repeat again, radio is a wonderful discovery. If you find discovery, then you will have to think that it is quite mistaken. You will have to use invention instead of discovery. Then it will be a correct and meaningful sentence. I am telling you the answer. Radio is a wonderful invention. This is the correct answer. I am giving you another example. Premise one is equal to premises. If you find premise in any sentence, then you will think that it is an incorrect sentence. You will have to premises instead of premise. I am giving you an example. They held the meeting at the college premise. Please look at the blackboard. You can see that they held the meeting at the college premise. If you find premise in any sentence, then you will have to think that it is completely incorrect sentence. So you will have to use premises instead of premise. So the correct sentence is they held the meeting at the college premises. So the correct sentence is they held the meeting at the college premise. So my dear students, if you find premise in any sentence, then you will have to think that it is an incorrect sentence. In order to make it correct sentence, you will have to use premises instead of premise. Similarly, I am giving you another example. they gave a visit to our college. If you find gave a visit, then you will have to think that it is an incorrect sentence. So, in order to make it correct and meaningful sentence, you will have to use paid a visit. Paid a visit. So the answer is they paid a visit to our college. My dear students, very often we can see that many of us think that, many of us speak that they gave a visit to our college. It is completely an incorrect sentence. In order to make it meaningful and correct sentence, we have to use paid a visit instead of gave a visit. Then it will be an correct sentence. The another example is he gave a good speech yesterday. Please look at the blackboard. He gave a good speech yesterday. If you find good speech, if you find gave speech, you will have to think that in order to make correct sentence, we are to use delivered a good speech yesterday. When we see gave in any sentence and it denotes tense to deliver lecture, then you will have to think that it is an incorrect sentence. In order to make it correct sentence, we have to use delivered in instead of gave. So the correct sentence is he delivered a good speech yesterday. Similarly, I am giving you another example. He said me goodbye. Please look at the blackboard. He said me goodbye. If you find said before goodbye, then you will have to think that it is an incorrect sentence. In order to make it correct sentence, you will have to use bed instead of paid. So the correct answer is he bade me goodbye. I am not in good terms with him. My dear students, if you find I am not in good terms with him, you will have to think that you are to understand that it is an incorrect sentence. You will have to write on good terms instead of in good terms. So the correct answer is I am not on good terms with him. My dear students, I start again another rule. I am fond of vegetable. I am fond of vegetable. If you find vegetable in any sentence, you will have to think that it is an incorrect sentence. So, in order to make correct sentence, you will have to use vegetables instead of vegetable. The correct answer is I am fond of vegetables. So the correct sentence is I am fond of vegetables. Similarly, his circumstance is not good. If you find circumstances, if you find circumstance in any sentence, then you will have to think that it is an incorrect sentence. To make it a correct sentence, we have to use circumstances instead of circumstance, and the noun will take plural verb. That means we are to use are instead of use. If we find circumstance in any sentence, we have to think that it is quite an incorrect sentence. In order to make it correct sentence, we are to use circumstances instead of circumstance. As circumstances is a plural word, so it will take plural verb. That means we are to use are instead of is. So the correct answer is his circumstances are not good. I am giving you another example. My dear students, you should bear in mind that you must know the basic rules of correction. You will have to face in any competitive examination. There is no examination where correction is not found. So you should have basic knowledge, basic rules of correction. They sat under a, he sat under a fit at the many teachers. If you find sat under a feet at the many teachers, then you will have to think that you are to make, you are to use sat at instead of under. Then it will be considered to be a correct sentence. They sat at the feet of many teachers. They turned over a new page after marriage. This is an incorrect sentence. If you find turned over a new page, if you find turned over a new page, it is a phrase. If you find turned over a new page, then you will have to think that it is an incorrect sentence because of the phrase turned over a new page. Turned over a new page means to start a new life, to start a new life. So the correct answer will be turned over a new life. You will have to use life instead of page. So the correct answer is they turned over a new life after marriage. My dear students, I repeat you again, if we find turned over a new page, then you will have to think that it is an incorrect sentence. In order to make it correct sentence, you will have to use life in instead of page. That means the correct answer is they turned over a new life after marriage. You, he, and you, he, and I are guilty. My dear students, look at the blackboard. You can see a sentence, you, he, and I are guilty. That means the speakers confess their own fault. So if anybody confesses his own fault with his own face, then you will have to think that the person will be, at first you will have to use first person, then second person, and finally third person, and the verbs will remain same. If anybody confesses or admits his own fault, then you will have to think that at first you will have to write first person, then second person, and finally third person, and the verbs will remain same. So the correct sentence is I, you, and he are guilty. My dear students, I am giving you another example. If you find my family consists in 10 members. My dear student, if you find consist in 10 members, that means my family forms with 10 members. So you will have to use consist of. If you find consist in any sentence, then you will have to write consist of instead of consist in, then it will be a correct sentence. So the answer is my family consists of 10 members. Similarly, I am giving you another example. So my dear students, thank you all. So I advise you to take precautionary steps in order to make a good result and do well in the examination. So time is over. Thank you so much.